Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Today I'd like to share with you guys a story that's about the customized sodium-ion battery for the solar energy storage. Customer asked us to customize the full pack of the sodium-ion battery, and now we meet the problem. The problem that is, they have the 3 battery pack, the capacity difference is very small. If the testing voltage range at 1.6 to 3.4, the capacity can reach 170 ampere hour round. For both 3 battery pack, all can reach 170 ampere hour, but they have 1 battery pack at this voltage range, the capacity only 160. It's so big difference in our company because we made it the real brand new grade A cell. And we talked with the sodium-ion battery manufacturer, this Hina company, and also talked with the BMS supplier, the JK company. For the Hina company, they asked the details testing why they have so big difference, because 3 battery pack is 170 and 1 pack is 160. So they asked the details of the BMS information. And we talked with the JK BMS. They said they didn't have the details data. If BMS need a GPS, then it can storage each moment of the details information like the voltage, internal resistance, and the capacity. And then we found that is this battery pack, they cut off the voltage at 2 voltage. So in this situation, we made the full battery pack all setting at 2.11 voltage to 3.4 voltage. And then get the results. Firstly, we get the all 4 pack at 162 ampere hour around, but for the second testing, all still the 3 battery pack voltage, the capacity range 162 ampere hour, but the problem battery pack, the capacity only 153. And now it still cannot get out what is the problem. So we talked to the Hina company. Is that your battery cell have problem? Because we bought this bulk of battery cell all in the brand new grade A quality. It should be compatible no matter in voltage, internal resistance, or anyways. And now the Hina replied to us that is, please tear out this battery pack and to test each of battery cell. If the capacity is lower to the rated, then they will replacement a new battery cell for us because it is the A grade. It is the quality guarantee from the manufacturer. So we got the positive attitude from the Hina company, and we consider, this company can take responsibility for their battery cells. And they also told us that they can guarantee the quality. Maybe you need to check again for your BMS. Then we change to the BMS supplier, and the JK cannot solve it. This is the main problem, and they keep silence. This is what I don't like, the JK's attitude for the after sales service. Too bad. You guys knows what I'm complaining for the JK BMS. So until now, the only solutions that is we needed to change a new JK BMS installed to the lower capacity of battery pack and to do the several times of cycling test and to see if it can solve the problem of lower capacity. If it can solve, then it is the problem of JK. If still cannot, then we will tear off the battery cell from the battery pack and test each of the capacity of the battery cell and to see if it's the problem of the sodium-ion battery. So from this story, what I want to say that is to find a reliable supplier is very important. Just the feeling from the Hina company, they give us is firstly, they told us it is totally brand new grade A cell and each of the cell is tested the capacity, voltage, K value and all information is belong to their quality standard. It's no any issues for it. When we do many recycling, until now we almost done the 6 times of cycling test for the 4 packs. And their reply is also positive. That is, please test each of the cell. If the void if the capacity can be meet the rated, can be meet their quality standard. If not, they will offer us a warranty issue about the replacement or refund. It is a very positive feedback for a supplier to action. But compared to the JK BMS, I keep silent. You can see our details of chat on the WeChat group. They didn't tell you anything. They just reply to you to ask you question and ask you to do the testing. No any other solution. They didn't tell you, oh, if you have problem, please send back to me and I will replace a new one for you. No, they didn't have answers for that. I know maybe this JK sales is not very responsible. Maybe other JK's salesmen will be more responsible for their jobs. But to be honest, this attitude cannot acceptable anymore in our company. This is why my boss always says, if possible, please change the JK, please change the JK. So it is very negative feedback for the after-sales service. And for this order, we have postponed for many days, and we are very urgent for this order, and we need to reply to customer. So in this situation, we have no choice and to buy a new BMS, a new one to replace this lower voltage battery pack and to see if it can solve the problem. So if it can solve the problem, I don't know what they will say for that. This is the story that's what we communicate with the supplier of battery cell, the BMS supplier, and how they reaction. And I believe you guys purchase from China also meet the similar feeling about it. Some supplier, they won't reply you. If they have problem, they don't reply anymore. Just, you can figure it out by yourself. So this is very bad for the business and from StarMax. Every time our boss tell us, firstly, you need to be honest for your customer. And secondly, if your customer meet problem, action right now. Do not delay. They didn't do as our company requirement and didn't tell the situation of the battery cell and didn't reaction if the customer meets the problem. In this situation, if you meet this problem from StarMax, from Xinhong, please contact me in this information. I will reply to you immediately. And thank you for you guys watching. This is Zanya. The next video, after this problem solved, I will share with you guys how about the sodium-ion battery for this home storage system. Waiting for my details video about it. And bye-bye.